Hello guys, this is the retro guy again, and so this is my new project. So this is a Macintosh SE that I have just bought at eBay for around like 30 quid. The only problem it is it doesn't have the hard drive, but I have a spare one, so I'm gonna use it. But other than that, it's fully functional. It has some cracks here, as you can see, so it's not too bad, and I think I can actually make it look much better. Anyways, the keyboard and mouse. As you can see, the keyboard is very yellowed. If you compare it with this other one that I have restored, you can see the difference here. So this is the yellowish keyboard that I have ever get my hands on, and so goes for the mouse. So it's so yellow that it's actually brown. So I'm going to retrobrite it, and let's see how that turns out. I will have also to replace the tube on this guy here. Even though it's working, it's burned, and you can actually see the burning. See? Yeah, it's very clear now. So I have a spare tube. I'm going to replace it, but it is working. But I will basically replace with another tube, better one. And this is my other Macintosh SE, which is not really an SE. As you can see, this is a Hackintosh. So it's actually running Ubuntu here. And yeah, this is another thing that is already on my blog, right? This project here. It's using the real monitor glass, as you can see, and it's just beautiful. Yeah. Okay, so I will start working with this here. I'm going to basically disassemble it, clean it up. I will have to also address probably the keys here. So there are 5 keys, E, R, T, Y, U. They are not registering for some reason. Could be like probably the traces on the membrane or something like that. And I will have to address that and correct it. It should be okay, I think. So I will see if I can record myself cleaning this up, and you can compare the before and the after. I'm going to take a picture of it, how it is right now, and then we're going to put it side by side with the basically refurbished picture so you guys can see the difference. Okay, that's it for now. Thank you guys.